Welcome to Green Matters News. In this week's episode, we find out how activists got Panda Express to change their menu, one lawmaker's plan to end animal dissection, which celebrities are making natural baby products more accessible, and how planting trees could offset our carbon emissions. Plus, our green tip of the week. Let's get to it. First up, eating a plant-based and affordable meal just got a little easier. Panda Express revealed that they will now have vegan and vegetarian options at all of their 2,000-plus locations in the United States. This change came after a widely circulated petition called for their menu to be more inclusive for those following a plant-based diet. California State Assembly member Ash Kalra recently introduced a bill that would eliminate animal dissection in the classroom. The bill would ban the dissection of animals in favor of digital instruction, which is a more ethical, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective alternative when it comes to anatomical education. An ambitious ecologist thinks he may have discovered the secret to neutralizing carbon emissions on planet Earth. According to his findings, we need to start planting more trees. 1.2 trillion, to be exact. While planting more than 1 trillion trees seems ambitious, there are plenty of other ways we can reduce our emissions, like by limiting our meat consumption and limiting our reliance on fossil fuels. In case you didn't already love altruistic Hollywood power couple Kristen and Dax Shepard enough, the pair is now doing even more for the greater good. The two just launched Hello Bello, a line of affordable, plant-based baby care products, created with the goal of making healthy baby items more accessible. By their own admission, Hello Bello offers premium baby care products at non-premium prices. And for our green tip of the week, if you're unsure what to do with your mascara wands after you use up all the product, consider donating them to Wands for Wildlife. Wands for Wildlife collects used mascara wands, which they use to rehab the animals at their facility. The bristles on a mascara wand are soft and close together, making them the ideal tool to groom, examine, and clean the wildlife in their care at Appalachian Wildlife Refuge. For more information on the stories in this episode, click the links in the description below, or visit us at www.greenmatters.com. And if you like the show, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Green Matters news with your friends. And follow us on Instagram @Green Matters. Keep up the green work, everyone. See you next week.